In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Rufus on Windows 7. Rufus is a tiny piece of free software that helps you format and create bootable USB flash drives, such as for installing a new operating system. Whether you're looking to make a bootable USB drive for creating a recovery disk, or for installing a completely new operating system, Rufus is a handy tool to have. So let's dive in and see how we can easily download and install it on your Windows 7 machine. First, open up your web browser. You can use any browser you prefer, whether it's Internet Explorer, Chrome, or Firefox. Next, you'll want to navigate to the official Rufus website. Just type Rufus Official into your search engine, and it should be one of the first results. Once you're on the Rufus website, the next step is to download the software. Look for the section where you can download Rufus 3.22 or any other version compatible with Windows 7 that you can find in the archives. This version will best support your operating system. After downloading, it's time to locate the downloaded file. Open up your Downloads folder. This is usually the default location where files from the internet get stored unless you've set it otherwise. Spot the Rufus file, which typically will have a name like rufus3.22.exe. Make sure that the file is completely downloaded and that there are no interruptions during the download process to avoid issues later on. Now that you have located the file, you're ready to run Rufus. Go ahead and double-click on the Rufus executable file. Windows might prompt you with the user account control message. If this happens, simply click Yes to proceed. This step is just a security measure by Windows to ensure that you're aware of any software installations. Once you've confirmed security permissions, Rufus will open immediately for you to use. With Rufus open, you're set to start using it. First, insert a USB flash drive into your computer. Rufus is designed to automatically detect it, so you don't have to worry about manually selecting the right drive. It's important that any important data on your USB is backed up prior to using Rufus, as the process will format your drive. Next, you'll select an ISO file. This is crucial if you're planning to create a bootable USB drive. Choose the ISO file you wish to use and make sure it's the correct one for your needs. After selecting your ISO file, you'll notice a Start button in the Rufus interface. Go ahead and click Start to commence the process. Rufus will handle the rest, formatting the USB drive and making your bootable media ready. With these steps complete, you've successfully downloaded, installed, and used Rufus to prepare your USB drive, ready for whatever task you need it for. Congratulations on taking this step toward becoming more tech-savvy. If you have any more questions, feel free to explore the rest of our tutorials. Happy computing!